Okay, so inside of Facebook, you're going to search for Google space plus space page tab, all one word, for pages, and this is version 2. So I'm going to click install now. I am going to look for my Facebook page I want to install it on, and I'm going to click the insert. Okay, it's been added. Now go to your Facebook page. So now I'm going to come over to my Facebook page. Okay, there I am. And you'll see that it's been added over here to the left. Let's click on that, and we're going to have to do a little bit of admin because this is pulling somebody else's ID. So we're going to enter your user ID. This is for Google Plus. So come back over to your Plus page, your Plus business page. You can copy this part. Or if you have a set of numbers and you don't have a vanity URL, it would be a set of numbers up here. So I'm going to hit Command or Control C and then come back over here and paste it in. And then I'm going to hit Update. Okay, now we're going to refresh. You don't need the full page URL. You just need that little, either the plus and then your business name, or you need, here we go. So looking pretty good. And this version does cards. So I do like this version. So it's cards, just very similar over here to the cards layout that we have on Go Plus. Like I said, you don't want to copy the whole URL. You're only putting in this part, or if it's your page ID is a string of numbers, sometimes it is, you'll copy that set of numbers. So that is it. Pretty easy. I will put the link to this app over underneath the video. So try this one. This video is updated since 2018. I had an old video from 2014. People were saying that it wasn't working anymore. It's because the app developer was not keeping up with the app. This new one works great. If you need to edit your tabs, how you get there is edit settings and then come over to edit page, and your tabs are listed down here. Okay, you can add a tab if you want, but all of these applications, when you're connecting to different things, will add it for you. Okay, and this settings, there's nothing over here other than turning it off or on. This is all populated by Facebook. That's not anything to do with the app settings. Okay, very confusing, I know, because I just tried it. So just make sure that you come back over to your page and then access the app to add your ID up at the top here. Okay? All right, thanks. I hope this helps.
If you enjoyed this tutorial video, please join me online at innerspacemarketing.com and sign up for our newsletter. You'll get tips and tricks in your inbox and lots of videos. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. It's free.